Hey, I'm sure you must be having a lot of jewelry in your wardrobe, but do you have the staple and essential piece? In this video, I'm going to show you top 7 jewelry that every lady should have in her wardrobe. If you want to know which are those jewelry, then keep on watching. Who are we? We are Bling Bag, your one-stop destination for Bollywood-inspired and premium quality jewelry in 50 plus color options to perfectly match your outfit. Number 1 is American Diamond Jewelry. American Diamond Jewelry is a must-have in your wardrobe because they are. Number 1 is American Diamond Jewelry. American Diamond Jewelry is a must-have in your wardrobe because they are gonna come in as a savior. You can style such American Diamond Jewelry pieces in weddings, if you're attending a reception, or maybe for a Sangeet look. And the best part is that they go with every other thing. You can wear it on western gowns, ethnic gowns, on saris, your suit set. All the jewelry that I'm gonna show in today's video are from Bling Bag. If you like any of the jewelry, then feel free to head to the description box. I'll be providing the direct links of the product so you can buy it for yourself. And this one doesn't look cheap at all, and that is the best thing about Bling Bag. We provide you the best American Diamond jewelry. Number 2 is statement earrings. It could be either jhumki or chanwali or any other earring, but it should be a statement piece. We all have a basic earring piece in our wardrobe, but having a statement piece like this is something which totally lifts up your look. The best part about having a statement earring in your wardrobe is that you can style it with any basic outfit. Bling Bag, we have multiple color options available for each of the designs. So if you don't like this particular pink color, you should check out our website. We have numerous color options in the same design. The third essential jewelry piece we have is a Mang Tika. It is very essential for you to have a statement Mang Tika because hair accessories are very neglected, and using such hair accessories can totally give you a different overall look. If you're not fond of Mang Tikas, you can go for a pearl golden Mang Tika, which would work on every other outfit. Next essential jewelry that you should have is a jewelry set which comes with a necklace as well as matching earrings and a matha patti. If you're planning to invest in a necklace set, you should totally go for a neutral color necklace set, just like I have this one right here. It has gold base and pearl detailing. The best part of having such neutral color jewelry is that you can style it on multiple outfits and reuse and repurpose your jewelry. The most important jewelry that you should have is a multicolor earring. You must be thinking, why multicolor earrings, right? So I'll tell you, multicolor earrings, they come to a rescue when you're wearing a very basic outfit. For example, if you're wearing a white kurti and you want to totally elevate your look, such earrings, they come to the rescue. I have this gorgeous ethnic earring from Bling Bag, which is red and green in color, and it has diamond detailing. Do not worry about the weight of the earrings because they are very lightweight. Also recommend you to invest in a multicolor choker set just like this one. It also comes with a matching earring and a very cute and very minimal matha patti, and this type of jewelry can totally lift up your any basic look. Another classic piece you should invest in are oxidized jewelry. Oxidized jewelry, they never go out of style, and they're perfect accessory to style a black kurti or a white kurti. If you're somebody who loves boho styling, oxidized jewelry are perfect for you. I also have this gorgeous and very minimal oxidized earring which has ghungru over here. Somebody who loves such type of oxidized earrings, then this one is a perfect fit for you. You can already imagine styling this particular earring with a white kurti color dupatta. This would look so chic and so beautiful. Lastly, I would recommend you to go for temple jewelry. Temple jewelry looks very classy and elegant, and most of the temple jewelry they have a matte golden base just like this one, and it also has pearl detailing going around. So there are two elements. So why am I recommending you to have temple jewelry in your wardrobe? Because if you're wearing a silk, Banarsi or Kanchivaram sari, temple jewelry they complement those saris really well. I've also made a video styling temple jewelry which I would be linking here on the screen. Do not forget to check that out. That's all for today's video. These were the top 7 jewelry pieces that every girl should have in a wardrobe. Comment and tell us what jewelry piece from these you have in your wardrobe. We would like to know that. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, follow us on our social media handles flashing on the screen, and we would see you in our next one. Bye.